This video explains the topic radio documentaries. Radio documentaries are non-fiction audio programs that deal with real people, real events, and real issues. Unlike news bulletins, they are in-depth and interpretative. They use sound as the main storytelling tool. Since there are no visuals, listeners create mental images through voices, ambient sound, and narration. The focus is on understanding reality, not just reporting facts. They are called documentaries because their purpose is documentation of reality. Like documentary films, they are fact-based, research-driven, and evidence-oriented. In radio, sound itself becomes proof, actual voices, real locations, and authentic soundscapes. These programs help preserve history, social memory, and culture. Radio documentary versus radio feature. The key difference lies in actuality. A radio documentary must use actual sounds, real interviews, and real statements recorded in the field. A radio feature can be produced entirely in the studio. Features present facts imaginatively, using music, sound effects, and narration. However, fact and fiction must not be mixed. A documentary records reality, while a feature creatively presents factual material. Radio documentaries can be classified by theme and purpose. Social issue documentaries focus on poverty, gender, health, and environment. Cultural documentaries document folk traditions, music, and oral histories. Historical and biographical documentaries reconstruct the past using archives and narration. Investigative documentaries rely on deep research and multiple sources. Radio docudramas use dramatic reconstruction but remain factually accurate. India has a strong tradition of radio documentaries, especially through All India Radio. AIR has produced freedom movement documentaries using archival speeches and eyewitness accounts. It has also broadcast documentaries on the Bhopal gas tragedy. Cultural documentation appears in the National Program of Music. Community radio stations like Radio Sangam document tribal life and grassroots realities. The importance of radio documentaries: they educate audiences, preserve culture, and amplify marginalized voices. They promote critical thinking and social awareness. Even today, in podcasts and digital audio, radio documentaries remain relevant and powerful because sound is intimate, accessible, and emotionally engaging.